There! Hey guys, welcome back. Kami magka-quick late lunch coffee ride. Okay, so dito tayo sa Salipit Coffee Farm. Ay, ano kami, bantay kami dito. At doon. Kami kumain dito sa Lipit Coffee Farm. Sorry dito. Gusto yung mga group ride, breakfast. Marami silang option for food. Umabot kayo sa point na to. Maraming salamat. Alright guys, it's been a nice ride. Nice food, nice coffee. This is Mark Nomad Rides. Ride safe. See you in the next video.